Today we're going to talk about subject versus conditions. A lot of people mix up with subject and conditions. The difference between subjects and conditions are subject will be effective only before the subject removal. Once subjects are removed, they're no longer in effect. For example, subject to the buyer obtain satisfactory financing on or before date, or subject to the buyer on or before a date, satisfy and perform a inspection. Conditions are effective during all time of the transaction and even after the transaction. For example, the seller agreed to prepare and clean the house before the possession date. Seller warrants all appliances will be good and working condition before the possession date. Stuff like that.